Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is Saishram Malyala. It's been very long since I have come in front of camera and talking regarding some important thing for JE students and all. So reason being my end semester exams from cousin's marriage. If you see the background, I am back home actually from college. So already left the college on 4th December. Today's date is it's 16th December. So everything is going well, and yeah, for main purpose of making this particular video is many people are asking me, mainly the JE 2022 aspirants are asking me related to expected dates of exam registration and 75% criteria and number of attempts. So regarding all this, I am going to talk in this particular video. So without taking much time, let's get into the video. Unacademy IIT JE Mega Combat 19th December 11 AM for class 11, class 12 and class 13. So you can attempt those class 13 one, which is dropper, which will include 11th and 12th syllabus totally. 60 minutes, 21 questions. This is a kind of 1 hour exam, but you will understand where you are strong and where you are weak. So you will get top 50 rankers will get merit certificates, and top 3 will get gold, silver and bronze, and 500 lucky participants will get exciting prizes. And along with that, you have a ACE UCL for JEE, Unacademy Champions Leagues. You can win a chance to meet and get inspired by Sachin Tendulkar. Aptitude test. This is not like PCM. Aptitude, mental ability test on December 18 to 19 and 26, 1 p.m. onwards. If you can excel in this particular test, you will get a chance to meet Sachin sir. And these are all the prizes and scholarships which you are going to get in this particular Unacademy Champions League, which are like from based on your ranks. You will get prizes and scholarships. You can check out the screen. And so if you want to enroll for UCL as well as Mega Combat, all the important links are in the description, and you can use my code CharanYT. You will get, it's a totally free test series which will really help you to boost your score in JEE preparation. So first I wanted to talk on expected dates. So guys, this is one of the mistake everyone do. So those who don't do these mistakes will really score a lot of marks. Thing is, so even if the dates are announced, even if the dates are not announced, you guys are preparing for JEE mains. So why you are thinking about dates and wasting your time? So the time which you are having now, you will not get it later. Once the dates are announced, you should not feel regret that you have wasted your time earlier, and you should not also feel regret that you don't have time. Thing is, at present you are having the time. So why you will get this NCERT when only dates are announced? Anyhow, according to my expectations, your exam will be conducted at the end of February or first week of March. That's what I'm thinking your first attempt will be. So mostly in after February 20 only. Okay, so you have another 70 to 80 days. Use them properly. If you can use them properly, you will get out of JEE mains with a very good result. Thing is, those who be ready with everything. So though if you are like you already completed your preparation, you wanted to know the dates so that you will get sincerity, more sincerity, and you will study. So until and unless they release the dates, so you can prepare or revise once again, right? It will be helpful for you to score even more than that. See, like it's not like you just had a touch of each and every chapter. If you are like that, due to that exam tension, you will not be able to solve those questions in the exam. So you can only solve those questions in which you have perfect knowledge of the concept, you have perfect grip in the concept. So that's why I'm saying try to revise once more if you still have a lot of time. Okay, revise once. After, if you completed once, if you have time, you revise once again. So that's how you need to utilize the time. But it's not the way that you just ask everyone who is there in the YouTube or who is taking any classes, go and ask what is the expected dates, what is the expected dates of JEE 2022. It won't gain you anything. You will be losing the time. That's it. After that you will feel bad that I have wasted a lot of time. So please don't let that particular thought comes once the dates are announced. So be prepared. I am saying according to my expectations, first attempt will be after February 20 only. And secondly, the most important thing, how many attempts? So this is also one of the most important question again. So 2 attempts or 4 attempts? So according to me, 2 attempts of Pakka it will be there, and it may minimum 2 attempts, at max 4 attempts. So let's wait for official decision for that. So for me, I'm thinking 2 to Pakka. They will not keep one time, 2 to Pakka. So we don't know whether they are going to keep 4 or not. So let's wait. And third important thing, 75% criteria. So many people are asking me whether the 75% criteria is going to again they are going to remove it or they are going to keep it. So according to my analysis, what I am expecting is, if you see the reason for cancelling last year is, they said that due to COVID, many students were not able to give their board exams properly. So that is why we are removing the 75% criteria for this year. So from upcoming years, it will be decided at that time. That's how they mentioned. So I feel the same COVID situation has continued for one more year again. So I think that So according to my expectation, the 75% criteria will be removed once again this year also, maybe. Okay, so let's wait for official decision once again. Chalo, when will be the registration starts? This is the final question many people are having. So final, according to my expectation, at max they should start the registrations in the final week of December at max. They will not even postpone more. I think they are going to start in the final week of December or at max by first week of January. You will get the application time in a website to register for JEE 2022. So at that time we'll come to know about number of attempts and all. And so what else you have? So I'm once again at the end of this video, I wanted to say that, so he or she who is not worried about the dates of the exam, they are just preparing, they are just improving day by day, and they are just focusing on their studies, will get good score rather than those who are waiting for dates, those who are waiting for registrations to start, those who are waiting for exam dates to be announced. So they are not going to score good marks. I am openly saying, please be prepared for yourself. The time which you are losing now, you will not get it later. That is the main important thing which I wanted to say you guys. So JEE 2022, all the best, and this I will be providing all the content related JEE and all other exams till you get into your college. My channel will be one-stop solution for all those queries and all those problems you face during the registrations, during the preparation, during the counseling, during the admission process. Chalo then, do subscribe to my channel, and also see you with the next one. Until then, take care, bye bye. Jai Hind.